China's CH-7 drone, a leap forward in stealth technology with 1,000-kilometer range. Date, February 10, 2025. Author, your name. Introduction. China's CH-7 drone, also known as the CH-7 Rainbow 7, marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of stealth technology in unmanned combat aerial vehicles (UCAVs). Developed by the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation (CASC), this drone is engineered for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and potential strike missions, showcasing a remarkable operational range of 1,000 kilometers, approximately 620 miles, and an endurance of up to 15 hours. Development timeline and key features. The CH-7 made its debut as a full-scale mock-up at Airshow China in 2018, where it drew comparisons to the U.S. Northrop Grumman X-47B. Since its introduction, the design has undergone several significant enhancements. By 2022, its wingspan had increased from 22 meters 72 feet to 26 meters 85 feet, reflecting ongoing efforts to improve its capabilities. Recent imagery indicates that further modifications may have been made, enhancing its stealth profile and possibly increasing its dimensions. Key features of the CH-7 include a dorsally mounted turbofan engine, an internal payload bay for weapons and sensors, and advanced low observable design elements that reduce its radar signature. By 2024, reports suggested that the CH-7 was nearing the completion of its development phase, having likely finished its flight test program. Operational use cases. Primarily, the CH-7 is designed for high-altitude missions, enabling it to gather intelligence over heavily defended areas while remaining undetected. This capability is crucial for monitoring enemy movements and providing targeting data for various military assets, including naval operations, where it could extend China's surveillance capabilities across the Pacific. The CH-7's versatile design potentially allows for adaptation to various military roles, including strike missions, thereby broadening its applications within the People's Liberation Army (PLA). Comparison with U.S. technologies. Analysts have drawn notable parallels between the CH-7 and the U.S. RQ-180, a covert high-altitude long-endurance drone tailored for similar ISR roles. While the RQ-180 focuses on creating a networking and reconnaissance hub, the CH-7 adopts a multi-role approach, combining ISR capabilities with possible offensive operations. One major distinction between the two programs lies in export capabilities. U.S. military drones are subject to export restrictions that limit the distribution of advanced stealth technologies to allied nations. In contrast, China has emerged as a significant exporter of drone technology, positioning the CH-7 as a possible contender in the international arms market. Common themes and differences. Both the CH-7 and RQ-180 emphasize stealth and long-range capabilities, reflecting a global trend toward advanced unmanned systems for military applications. However, the CH-7 appears more focused on ISR and strike capabilities, while the RQ-180 serves as a networking platform, enhancing situational awareness across multiple military assets. The CH-7's development process has been notably more transparent than that of the RQ-180, which remains shrouded in secrecy. This difference highlights the contrasting approaches to military advancements taken by China and the United States. Strategic implications. The introduction of the CH-7 drone represents a strategic intent by China to bolster its military capabilities through innovative technology and stealth designs. As it approaches operational readiness, the CH-7 has the potential to reshape the balance of power in the region, providing unique ISR and combat capabilities that may lead to more complex military engagements in future conflicts. Conclusion. The CH-7 drone signifies a significant leap forward for China's military technology, particularly in the realm of stealth drones. With its impressive range, endurance, and multi-role capabilities, the CH-7 is poised to play a critical role in modern warfare, enhancing China's ISR and strike capabilities while posing challenges to regional adversaries. As the development of this advanced UCAV continues, its implications for military strategy and international relations will undoubtedly unfold in the coming years. This report encapsulates the key aspects of China's CH-7 drone, its development, operational capabilities, and its strategic significance within the evolving landscape of military technology. The CH-7 drone, or CH-7, developed by the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation (CASC), represents a significant advancement in unmanned combat aerial vehicles (UCAVs), particularly in stealth technology and operational capabilities. This drone features a range of approximately 1,000 kilometers (620 miles) and an endurance of up to 15 hours, positioning it as a formidable asset for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance (ISR), and potential strike missions. Counterintuitive information. 1. Export capability versus export restrictions. While the U.S. military faces stringent export restrictions on advanced technologies including drones, China has become a notable exporter of drone technologies. This creates a paradox where a country often viewed as technologically behind is now leveraging its advancements to fill gaps left by Western restrictions, potentially altering global military dynamics. 2. Stealth and transparency. The CH-7's development process has been relatively transparent compared to its U.S. counterparts such as the RQ-180, which remains shrouded in secrecy. This transparency is counterintuitive because military advancements are typically associated with classified projects. However, China's approach may be strategic in showcasing its capabilities to potential international buyers. 3. Design evolution and market positioning. The CH-7 has undergone design changes that have made it resemble the US RQ-180, however. Its development has been aimed at multi-role functionality rather than a sole focus on ISR. This approach contrasts with the U.S. military systems, which compartmentalize roles, suggesting that China's design philosophy is more adaptable in rapidly changing combat environments. For operational strategy, the CH-7's design for high-altitude missions to penetrate heavily defended airspace highlights a shift in military strategy that contrasts with traditional methods of ground-based reconnaissance. The counterintuitive aspect here is that while many nations are focusing on ground-based intelligence, China's emphasis on aerial stealth drones to gather intelligence from above represents a strategic pivot that could redefine engagement protocols in contested airspace. 5. Potential for naval operations. Initially viewed as primarily an ISR platform, the CH-7's adaptability for naval operations expands its operational theater beyond traditional land-centric roles. This versatility challenges the notion that unmanned systems are limited to specific environments, indicating that the future of warfare could involve seamless integration across domains. 6. Technological parallels with U.S. drones. While the CH-7 has been likened to U.S. drones like the RQ-180, the assertion that it combines ISR capabilities with potential strike missions presents a paradigm shift. This contrasts with the U.S. military's focus on specialized platforms, suggesting that a multipurpose design could be more effective in future asymmetric warfare scenarios. 7. Impact of global military dynamics. The CH-7's capabilities could shift the balance of power in regional conflicts, particularly in the Pacific. This highlights a counterintuitive aspect of military technology. Advancements in drone technology can lead to shifts in geopolitical dynamics, challenging established powers that rely on traditional military assets. In summary, the CH-7 drone encapsulates a range of counterintuitive elements that challenge traditional perceptions of military technology strategy and international defense dynamics. Its development and potential operational uses signify a transformative approach to modern warfare that could have implications for global military strategies and relationships. China's CH-7 drone, also known as the CH-7 Rainbow 7, is a pivotal development in unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV technology, showcasing significant advancements in stealth capabilities and operational range. While much attention has been placed on its design and strategic implications, several important aspects of the CH-7's development and potential impact may be overlooked. Here are the key elements that merit further exploration along with their significance. 1. Stealth technology and design evolution. The CH-7 has undergone several iterations since its debut as a mockup in 2018, with advancements in its stealth design that may not be immediately apparent. While the focus is often on its resemblance to U.S. drones like the Northrop Grumman X-47B, the CH-7 features unique design elements such as a dorsally mounted turbofan engine and an internal payload bay. The significance of these design choices lies in their potential to optimize the drone's radar cross-section and thermal signature, thus enhancing its survivability in contested airspace. 2. High-altitude operational capabilities. The CH-7's intended deployment at high altitudes allows it to perform intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance ISR missions without detection. This capability is critical for modern combat scenarios where the ability to gather intelligence from enemy territories is paramount. The implications of this are profound. It can facilitate preemptive strikes and targeted operations by providing real-time data on enemy positions, troop movements, and infrastructure, which is often overlooked in discussions about its capabilities. 3. Potential for multi-role adaptability. While the CH-7 is primarily marketed as an ISR platform, its design suggests versatility for multiple military roles, including potential strike missions. This multi-role capability may not receive as much attention as it deserves. The idea that the CH-7 could be adapted for various operational contexts, from naval surveillance to ground attack, demonstrates China's strategic flexibility in deploying this asset, allowing it to support diverse military objectives. 4. Export potential and global drone market dynamics. China's position as a significant exporter of drone technology is often overshadowed by Western narratives focusing on U.S. military superiority. The CH-7 represents a leap in capabilities that could alter the dynamics of the global arms market, particularly for countries seeking advanced military technologies. The significance lies in how this export potential may shift regional power balances, as nations that acquire such capabilities could enhance their military effectiveness without relying on Western technologies, which are often restricted by export controls. 5. Implications for regional security architecture. The introduction of the CH-7 into operational service could have profound implications for regional security in the Indo-Pacific. Its ability to operate undetected over vast distances may compel neighboring countries to reconsider their defense strategies, particularly in areas with significant military presence such as the Taiwan Strait or the South China Sea. This shift could lead to an arms race in stealth technology and unmanned systems among regional rivals, something that is often underemphasized in assessments of military balance in these areas. 6. Technological innovation and military doctrine. The CH-7 is a manifestation of China's broader military modernization strategy, which emphasizes technological innovation and the incorporation of advanced unmanned systems into military doctrine. The significance of this innovation lies not just in the aircraft itself but in how it reflects a shift in military thinking that prioritizes unmanned systems for endurance, reduced risk to personnel, and the ability to conduct operations in contested environments. This transition could influence how other militaries develop and integrate similar technologies into their operations. 7. Cybersecurity and data security considerations. As with any advanced unmanned system, the CH-7 raises important questions about cybersecurity and data security. The potential for cyber intrusions and the need for secure communications are critical considerations that may not be front and center in discussions about its operational capabilities. Ensuring the integrity of data collected by the CH-7 as well as protecting its operational control from adversarial cyber threats is vital for its effectiveness in real-world scenarios. 8. Integration with other military assets. The CH-7's role within the larger framework of the People's Liberation Army (PLA) is another crucial aspect often overlooked. Its integration with other military assets such as naval platforms and ground-based missile systems could enhance China's operational capabilities significantly. This integration suggests a move towards a more network-centric approach to warfare where information from the CH-7 could coordinate strikes and improve situational awareness across various platforms, fundamentally changing how the PLA conducts military operations. 9. Environmental impact and ethical considerations. The development and potential deployment of the CH-7 also raise ethical questions regarding warfare and environmental impact. As drone warfare becomes increasingly prevalent, considerations around the ethical implications of using such technology, particularly in terms of collateral damage and targeting accuracy, are paramount. The discussions surrounding these ethical dimensions are often sidelined in favor of technological and strategic evaluations. Conclusion. The CH-7 drone represents a significant leap in China's military capabilities with implications that extend beyond mere technological advancements. Its development encapsulates a shift in military strategy towards unmanned systems, highlights the evolving dynamics of regional security, and raises critical issues around ethics and cybersecurity. As discussions around military technology continue, it is essential to recognize these often overlooked aspects to fully appreciate the impact of the CH-7 on global military affairs. 1. Advancements in stealth technology. The CH-7 drone represents a significant leap in stealth capabilities for unmanned combat aerial vehicles (UCAVs). Its design allows for high-altitude operations, making it difficult to detect by enemy radar systems. This stealth capability is crucial for conducting intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and strike missions in heavily defended airspace. The evolution of its design, influenced by models such as the U.S. Northrop Grumman X-47B, demonstrates China's commitment to advancing its military technology and maintaining competitive parity with U.S. capabilities, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. 2. Operational versatility and range. With a range of 1,000 kilometers, approximately 620 miles, and an endurance of up to 15 hours, the CH-7 can execute a variety of missions, including ISR and potential strike operations. Its ability to gather intelligence over vast distances makes it a valuable asset for monitoring enemy movements and providing targeting data for other military assets. The drone's operational versatility is further enhanced by its design, which suggests adaptations for naval operations, indicating its role in extending China's surveillance capabilities over critical maritime areas. 3. Comparative analysis with U.S. drones. The CH-7 has been compared to the U.S. RQ-180, a classified high-altitude drone designed for long-endurance missions. While both platforms share stealth and long-range capabilities, their operational focuses differ. The RQ-180 is primarily a networking reconnaissance platform, while the CH-7 is designed to engage in multi-role missions that may include strikes. The difference in export policies between China and the U.S. also positions the CH-7 as a potential competitor in the global drone market, where the U.S. faces restrictions on the sale of advanced military technologies. 4. Implications for regional military balance. As the CH-7 nears operational readiness, its deployment could significantly alter the balance of power in the Indo-Pacific region. China's development of advanced stealth drones like the CH-7 reflects a strategic intent to enhance its military capabilities, potentially leading to more complex military engagements with regional adversaries. The capability to conduct long-range ISR and strike missions could empower the People's Liberation Army (PLA) to operate more assertively in contested areas, raising concerns among neighboring countries and prompting potential shifts in defense postures. 1. Northrop Grumman X-47B. The X-47B was a groundbreaking unmanned combat air vehicle UCAV developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Navy. It was designed to demonstrate the feasibility of operating unmanned aerial vehicles from aircraft carriers, showcasing advanced stealth capabilities and autonomous flight operations. The X-47B successfully completed numerous tests, including carrier launches and autonomous refueling, marking significant advancements in drone technology. Although the program did not transition to production, the lessons learned from the X-47B have informed subsequent developments in military aviation, particularly in the realm of carrier-based drones. 2. RQ-170 Sentinel. The RQ-170 Sentinel, developed by Lockheed Martin, is a stealth unmanned aerial vehicle used by the United States Air Force primarily for reconnaissance missions. It gained notoriety during the war in Afghanistan and was involved in intelligence-gathering operations over hostile territories. The aircraft's low observable design allows it to evade radar detection, making it an essential asset for strategic surveillance. The RQ-170's capabilities have influenced the development of future stealth drones, including the rumored RQ-180, which aims to enhance the U.S. military's reconnaissance and networking capabilities. 3. MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper is an unmanned aerial vehicle UAV used by the United States Air Force for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. It is an evolution of the earlier MQ-1 Predator and offers enhanced capabilities, including a longer range, greater payload capacity, and the ability to carry precision-guided munitions. The Reaper has been extensively used in combat operations, showcasing its effectiveness in unmanned warfare. Its operational success has spurred further developments in drone technology and tactics, leading to the exploration of more advanced UAVs that incorporate stealth and multi-role functionalities. Future outlook on China's CH-7 drone, stealth technology and strategic implications. As the CH-7 drone, or Kaihong, 7 inches closer to operational readiness, its advanced features and capabilities are likely to reshape the landscape of military aviation and drone warfare, not just in China but globally. Below are several predictions for the future implications of the CH-7 drone, focusing on technological advancements, strategic military applications, and geopolitical dynamics. 1. Technological advancements in UAVs. The CH-7 exemplifies significant innovations in stealth technology and drone design. In the future, we can expect enhanced stealth features. The CH-7's design, which includes a low observable profile and advanced materials, will likely lead to further developments in stealth technologies across various UAV programs worldwide. Competitors will invest more in research to develop similar capabilities, prompting a new arms race in drone stealth. Integration of AI and autonomous operations. Future iterations of the CH-7 may incorporate artificial intelligence (AI) for autonomous decision-making, enabling it to conduct complex missions with minimal human intervention. This will enhance its ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance capabilities and strike potential, allowing for more efficient operations in contested environments. Modular design for multi-role operations. The CH-7 may evolve into a more versatile platform capable of performing various roles, including anti-ship, ground attack, and electronic warfare, through modular payload options. This adaptability will make it a key asset in the People's Liberation Army (PLA) arsenal. 2. Strategic military applications. Given its 1,000-kilometer range and multi-role capabilities, the CH-7 is expected to play a critical role in shaping China's military strategy. Deep penetration missions. The CH-7's high-altitude flight capability allows it to penetrate deeper into enemy territory, gathering crucial intelligence on troop movements, infrastructure, and potential threats. This will enhance China's situational awareness and operational planning, particularly in regions like the South China Sea and along the Taiwan Strait. Support for joint operations. The CH-7 could serve as a force multiplier by providing real-time data to other military assets such as naval vessels and ground forces. Its ability to function as a command and control node will be integral to the PLA's evolving network-centric warfare strategy, enabling coordinated multi-domain operations. Countering advanced air defenses. With its stealth features, the CH-7 will likely be tasked with missions to neutralize or bypass enemy air defenses, paving the way for follow-on forces including manned aircraft and strike drones. This capability will be particularly valuable against adversaries with sophisticated integrated air defense systems. 3. Geopolitical dynamics and regional stability. The introduction of the CH-7 into operational service is poised to impact regional and global security dynamics significantly. Shift in power balance. As China enhances its drone capabilities with the CH-7, other regional powers including Japan, South Korea and India may accelerate their own military modernization efforts. This could lead to increased military tensions in the Indo-Pacific region, as neighboring countries feel compelled to respond to China's growing capabilities. Arms export opportunities. China's commitment to becoming a major player in the global arms market could see the CH-7 offered for export, particularly to countries seeking advanced drone technology. This could alter the military capabilities of recipient nations and further shift regional power balances. New defense strategies among allies. The United States and its allies may need to reassess their defense strategies in light of the CH-7's capabilities. This could involve increased investment in counter-drone technologies, enhanced air defense systems, and greater emphasis on intelligence sharing among allies to counteract China's UAV advancements. 4. Potential for future conflicts. The operational deployment of the CH-7 might raise the stakes in potential confrontations. Escalation of military engagements. The CH-7's capabilities may embolden Chinese military operations in contested areas, leading to heightened risks of miscalculations or unintended clashes between China and its adversaries, especially in the South China Sea or over Taiwan. Drone warfare as a tactical norm. The increasing reliance on drones like the CH-7 will likely normalize drone warfare in future conflicts, leading to new doctrines that prioritize UAVs for both ISR and strike missions. This could result in a shift in how conflicts are fought, with an emphasis on unmanned operations to reduce risks to personnel. Conclusion. The CH-7 drone marks a significant leap forward in China's military capabilities, emphasizing stealth range and versatility. As it approaches operational readiness, its implications will resonate beyond China's borders, influencing military strategies, regional stability, and the future of warfare. Nations around the world are likely to respond to the advancements represented by the CH-7, shaping a new era of military aviation and drone warfare. The CH-7 may not just be a technological marvel, it could be a pivotal player in the unfolding geopolitical landscape of the 21st century.